Hi friends, welcome to Littlejoyskk.
We hope you're all doing well. Thank you for your valuable support and comments.
If you haven't watched our previous videos, please watch them and subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to follow on our social media, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. The links are down below. Ken, what are we doing for this episode?
Chris, are you an artist?
No, I'm not good at that.
Then I'll show you a type of art that can be done by anybody who doesn't have artistic talents.
Oh, is it?
Yes, I'll show you. Today, I'm going to show you string art. String art is the arrangement of colored threads to make a design or a geometrical pattern. See this? Quack quack. This is a cute duckling and it's very easy to make. This is a musical cliff made by string art. Usually for string art, we use wooden boards, nails, hammers and all that stuff. Today we are going to make kids-friendly string art that includes thick thermocol board, office pins and colored threads. As you can see, the thermocol is very thick and the more the thicker, the more better it will be. And I have also used threads like these. So let's start. I'm not going to tell you what string art I'm making. Let it be a surprise for you. So let's watch. I have placed a green paper on top of the thermocol board. Now we have to cut off a piece of paper, a triangle with equal sides, and then pierce a pin in each corner. Make sure that the pin goes half the way down. Remove the paper. Now you've got 3 corners. Now, using the help of a scale, join two of the corners and then put a pin 1 centimeter apart. Now reach till the other corner and do this with all the sides. I have finished piercing all the sides. Now we are going to start weaving. So for your convenience, I made this. So these red dots are the needles. So from this corner you have to go to this corner, and then from this one you have to go to this one, and then from this 2 you have to go to this 2, and then you have to go to this 3, and then from that 3 you have to go here, and so on. So first you have to make a knot on this corner pin and weave as shown before. Do this very gently or else everything will come off. I finished this side and I have also put a knot here. Next, we have to take another color and do this side. I have finished the 2 sides. The next color should start from here. For convenience, I'm just going to turn it around, put a knot here. So let's start this corner. I finished all 3 sides, as you can see. Now you can cut off the excess. I would like to name this Triangle Eye.
We hope you like this video. Please try this at home. It is very easy and simple, and you will get a very beautiful piece of art. Please subscribe, like, share and give us feedback on how to improve our channel.
Please don't forget to hit the bell icon so when we post new videos,
You get notified.
Until next time,
Littlejoyskk signing out.